Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to remove PayJoy from your Android phone. If you've noticed it running in the background or just don't need it anymore, here are the steps you can take. First, open your phone's settings. Scroll down until you see apps or applications. Tap that. At the very top, there should be a search bar. Type in PayJoy. If the app is installed, it should show up in the results. Once you find PayJoy in the list, tap on it. On the app info page, scroll down and select uninstall. Confirm when prompted and wait a few seconds for the removal to complete. Now, in some cases, PayJoy may not uninstall directly. If you don't see the uninstall option or if it gives you an error, you'll need to contact PayJoy support directly for assistance. To do that, open a browser and go to payjoy.com. On the home page, tap the menu icon in the top right and go to About Us. There you'll find contact details for different regions like the United States, Mexico, Brazil, South Africa, China, and more. Choose the one for your country and reach out to their support team. They'll walk you through the removal process. And that's it. Try uninstalling through settings first, and if that doesn't work, use the official PayJoy support contacts. They can give you the correct steps based on your region. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Android fixes.